Hello students, good morning to one and all. So yesterday we have completed the second chapter, that is the subject and predicate. Okay. So far you have not commented below up to where your this English grammar has gone. Okay. So I thought the English grammar, the first chapter you might have covered it. That's why I did not touch it. Okay. But today I will take the first chapter. Okay. Sentence. Okay. You know that what a sentence in English grammar, then how it is important. Okay. For English grammar also, for any language. Okay. किसी भी language के लिए sentence कितना important होता है आपको तो पता होना ही. Okay. That is it. There it be Hindi or English or else any language. Okay. But the sentence is most important. You know that sentence how it is formed. Okay. Sentence. First you know that words are formed. Okay. The combination of these alphabets or else this letters. Okay. English letters. That's all what the words are formed. Then this is what's the combination of words and phrases. Okay. If any sentence is made with a complete sense, then it is called that a sentence. Okay. That's what we want, a complete sense. Okay. Complete. Okay. Okay. Complete sense is more important in the sentence. Okay. So then only we can make it. We can call it is a sentence. Okay. So there will be a sentence with a combination of words. Okay. Okay. But if it doesn't make any sense, then it is not a sentence at all. Okay. Just we are going to see some of the examples. Here it is there. We will take the first example. Okay. First one. Okay. Beautiful is painting up this. Okay. So I wrote a sentence. मैंने एक sentence लिखा. Okay. यहाँ पर क्या बहुत सारे क्या word है. Okay. There is what a combination of word and I wrote a sentence. Okay. According to the definition, combination of more than one word to make a sentence, but it has to make what a complete sense, then only it will become a sentence. Okay. Here it is the example. A beautiful is painting what this. Okay. So this is not a complete sense. Okay. This sentence doesn't make any complete sense. Therefore, it is not a sentence. Okay. When we make it, what? Beautiful painting is this. Okay. See, this is the correct one. What a beautiful painting is this. So all these words are arranged in a systematic manner or else in a meaningful manner. Then it became a complete sentence. Okay. So what a beautiful painting is this. So this is what kind of sentence? See, after this end of this sentence, I did not put a full stop. मैं full stop नहीं दिया. और एक क्या पंक्चुएशन मार्क लगा दिया. ये क्या exclamatory mark. Okay. So but this is sentence as usual. Sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Okay. Depending on this, what the meaning of this sentence. Okay. So there are some more examples. Second one. Jar broke the who. You know that this is when we make it, this will become an interrogative sentence. That is, who broke the jar? Okay. At last what? Question mark will be there. Okay. Then the third one. Tonight to concert going I da. Okay, so this sentence can become what a declarative sentence. We will come to know, okay, what is declarative sentence and what is interrogative sentence and so on. Okay, but here just we need to make a sentence meaningful. Okay, so tonight I am. Okay, tonight I am going to the concert. Okay, tonight I am going to the concert. So you have to end the sentence with a full stop. Okay. Then once the at door open. Okay. This is the fourth number. Okay. At once the door open. Okay. At once the door open. Okay. It was what? It becomes an exclamatory sentence. Then the fifth one. She will sings how. Okay. This one is it. How well she sings. This also will become what an exclamatory sentence. Okay. This mark will be there at the end of this sentence. Then the last example. Your what name is. This is an interrogative sentence. We will get it. Okay. What is your name is. Okay. That is what a interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Okay. So we find here different kinds of sentence. So you understood what is how sentence is formed and how sentence become a sensible one. Okay, that we understood by this arranging this jumble words into a meaningful sentence. Okay. So there are kinds of sentences, so you will find it. First one is what? Declarative sentence. Okay. Declarative sentence. Okay. So, according to your English grammar book, there are only 4 types of sentences. We will see. Okay. So, first one is what a declarative sentence. Okay, you know that the declarative sentence what states fact. Okay, what else than an argument. Okay, that is called what a declarative sentence. Sentence which makes it or else which states the fact or an argument is called what a, this is a declarative sentence. For example, okay, it is going to rain today. Okay, but it is going to rain today. Okay, this one is what is the example for the declarative sentence. Okay, where we see the fact. Okay, by seeing the situation or an atmosphere, then if one makes a statement, then it becomes a fact. Okay, so it is going to rain today by seeing the cloud in the sky. Okay, if someone makes a statement that it is going to rain today, then it becomes a declarative sentence. Remember, declarative sentence you have to end with a full stop, and naturally the sentence must begin with a capital letter, and it has to make a complete sense. Once again and again I am repeating. Okay, complete sense. Okay, also complete sense is a must to become a sentence. Okay. So another one is you should go to the library sometimes. You know that the importance of library you have. Okay, when you go So library we get so many books in the for studies. Okay, library क्या, बहुत सारे किताबें होता है वहाँ पर. Okay, जब ये फ्री टाइम मिलता है तो वहाँ पर जाके पढ़ना जरूरी है. इसको क्या लाइब्रेरी बोलते हैं. Okay, so declarative sentence end with a full stop, as I told you. Okay, declarative sentence are of two kinds. Okay, this is declarative sentence. This one has got what are two types. First one is affirmative, second one is negative. Okay, affirmative. Affirmative. Another one is negative. Okay. Yes. So this declarative sentence, you understood what the sentence is, and there are four types of sentence. Okay. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Is called sentence, and there are, according to your English book, okay, according to your sixth standard, okay, there are four types of sentence. First, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, okay, then another exclamative sentence, and another one is imperative. Yes, imperative sentence. Okay. So one more sentence also is there. That one is optative sentence. That we will see later on. Okay. First we shall see according to your syllabus. So here we saw that the declarative sentence. Okay, which makes or also which states a fact or an argument is called a declarative sentence. Okay. So क्या declarative sentence से बोला जाता है. तो ये declarative sentence we make it for example हमें देखा क्या sometimes okay you should go to the you need to go to the or else yes you need to go to the market sometimes or else you need to play the football for some times, okay, because it is good for health. So those kind of things, okay, where you find the fact, okay, or else a true sense, then it becomes what a declarative sentence. Okay, so here we saw that the declarative sentence is divided into two parts. Remember? Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, you understand what I speak. So this declarative sentence के दोनों तरफ से और क्या divide कर दिया. Okay, first one is affirmative, another one negative. Affirmative sentence, you know it, the sentence which makes a what a positive sense, that is called what a affirmative. So for example, okay, he is going to the market. Is going to the market. This is what an example of affirmative sentence. The same sentence we shall make it negative. You know that how to make a sentence negative. He is not going to the market. So, can you find the difference? Okay, between this affirmative and the negative sentence. Affirmative that he is going to the market. Here we find that he is not going to the market. Only सिर्फ एक ही word है, फर्क है ये क्या not. Okay, ये पे not present नहीं, ये पे not इस्तेमाल किया गया, इसलिए ये क्या negative हो गया, ये positive नहीं क्या affirmative. Okay, here according to your example, Madhuri sings well. Madhuri does not sing well. Okay, so this is what a negative sentence. Then what an interrogative sentence. Okay. Interrogative sentence which asks a question, that is called what an interrogative sentence. Okay, for example, okay, as we saw the first one of the example in the jumbled sentence. Okay, your what name is. Okay, so when we converted into a what is this meaningful sentence, then it became an interrogative sentence. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? interrogative. Okay, interrogative sentence which makes a question. Okay, which makes a question is called an interrogative sentence. You know that some of the words which makes a questions. For example, this WH words. Okay, WH words. Okay, most of the this WH words makes a what a interrogative sentence. For example, where are you going? What is your name? Okay, where are you going? Where are you going? Remember, interrogative sentence ends with a question mark, punctuation. Okay, the punctuation mark what is? Question mark is used. This one like this. Don't use full stop. Okay, this will become a wrong sentence. Understood? So dear students, this is how we use the interrogative sentence with the WH word. Most of the WH words makes an interrogative sentence, but not all the WH words. And but then another one is even the auxiliary verb, okay, or a helping verb, what you call also. With that also we make an interrogative sentence. So today we saw that the sentence, what is sentence and what types of, then there are what kind of sentences are there, and this we saw the example in detail. Okay, with the two, which one, declarative and interrogative sentence. For the next class we shall see the rest of the sentences. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.